Hey, hi everybody, and my name is Arvind Upadhyay. I am author of over 100 books on self-help, personal development, and much more. You can search my name to find out more about me. There is a lots of the free resources that I have created, more than 2000 of the articles, more than thousands of the free videos available out there. So you can just, if you want to change, you can just get the change, of course, free. Everything is available for free. Just search my name out there and you get everything to how to change. Now, where from change start from your belief, from your thoughts. In one of my podcast I talk about that quality of your mind depend on your quality of your life. So your thoughts, your thinking, your emotions and your meanings depend how much change you want and how you are trying to get ahead of your life. So change your thought to change your life. I mean, your thoughts is everything for getting the whatever you want. And so you have to change your thoughts, because your positive thoughts equal to positive result, whereas negative thought equal to negative result. So it's a depend on you, that's which type of the result you want. If you want to positive result, focus on positive thoughts.